2013, Baldassarona 2013. Vediamo in questo video Brento Cazzieli che è pronto alla partenza per un allenamento d'estate e aspettiamo che parte. Si sta posizionando, vediamo in arrivo Jody il carrozzaio, gli dà i 5 secondi ragazzi, i 5 secondi, vediamo fra un po' la partenza di Brento Cazzieli, Gino tira la corda, è partito!
Just blaze. Yeah. No, turn me up. Hey. I think we got one. Yeah. Here we go.
Tell me what do you see when you're looking at me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. On a mission to be what I'm destined to be. Whoa, whoa. Hey, whoa. I done been through the pain and the sorrow, the struggle is nothing but love. Nothing but love. Soldier, a rider, a ghetto survivor, and all the above. Hey. All the above. All the above. All the above. See me living my dreams. I done been to the bottom, I done suffered a lot. I deserve to be rich, headed straight to the top. Look how I ride for the block, look how I rap for the hood. I get nothing but love now when I come through the hood. Getting this fortune and fame, money make all of us change. The new Benz is all white, call it John McCain. How the hell could you stop me? Why in the world would you try? I go hard forever, that's just how I'm designed. That's just how I was built. See the look in my eyes, you take all of this from me, and I'm still gonna survive. You get truth from me, but these rappers gon' lie. I'm a part of these streets to the day that I die. I wave out of the haters, man, that I finally done made it. Take a look, and you can tell that I'm destined for greatness. Tell me what do you see when you're looking at me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. On a mission to be what I'm destined to be. Whoa. stuck in the cell. Picture you wasting your life, picture you facing a charge, picture you beating the odds, picture you willing to bleed, picture you wearing the scar. Thank you for making me struggle, thank you for making me grind. I perfected my hustle, tell me the world ain't mine. You've been seeing me lately, I'm a miracle baby. I refuse to lose, this was the ghetto that made me. I put that on my father, trying to hope for tomorrow. When I think that I can't, I envision Obama, I envision them diamonds, I envision Ferraris. If the world was perfect, all my behind me, ain't you happy I made it? Man, I'm making a statement. Take a look and you can tell that I'm destined for greatness.
Spot, I'm out on the block. I hustle hard cause it's all the same. They know, and you know that grind don't stop. Just cause I rose to the top, and everybody knows my name. They know, still grinding, still hustling. No more pain, no more suffering. My ladies and my shorties and my thugs, keep that dance in the sun, in the love. Yes, all of your love, all of your love, all of your love. Fast and missing, I cannot help convincing the reasons you gave me. You're all wearing thin. It's not meant to hurt you, but let me assure you, it's not what I said, but intentions you had. So when you hold on to the past and you will break down what little is left. Yeah, there's nothing more you can't ignore. Say it makes no difference to me. It makes no difference to me. Now that you're older, life's weighing on your shoulders. Can't seem to keep things so perfectly straight. When most things are basic, you might as well face it. You can't help but worry, it's all just begun. So when you hold on to the past and you will break down what little is left. Yeah, there's nothing more you can't ignore. Say it makes no difference to me. 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 It makes no difference. So when you hold on to the past and you will break down what little is left. Yeah, there's nothing more you can't ignore. Say it makes no difference to me. It makes no difference. It makes no difference to me. It makes no difference. It makes no difference to me.
With that summertime love, then change the whole game. Like what have I done? At the gutter I come to touch the bright sun, and from the highest heights, motherfucker, I jump. Free in the sky of belief I can fly. Ain't no telling what they're selling, man, they're sheep in disguise. Keep this in mind, I keep on my grind. I can do it anywhere I wanna do it, just sleep when I die. Explosive, ferocious, get up, get down, that's showbiz. Power to the people that have freedom in their focus. I hope this helps you when you're under the thumb. When you feel like nothing can save you, when you feel like jumping the gun. Stop cross it, there'll be brighter days, honest. So get up, get out and get something that's on the real. Forget what you were taught and show these people how you feel. Like, who are you to tell me how to live my life? Cause I won't give this up. These are my shoes, my view, my cue to say I do give up. And pretty soon I'ma bloom and it'll be alright. Every day's another chance to ignite. Cause I'm addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted to this universal feeling called life.
Guidance is internal. Guidance is internal. For the
Since a fetus, explored life's subtle secrets. From my fingertips to my unique double helix, I can see history, I can see the past lessons. It's your right, never be afraid to ask questions. How can every religion claim to be the only one? How can they preach love yet fight each other holding guns? I think the golden sun might be able to shed some light. I'd rather push peace and knowledge to defend our rights. These leaders in suits tell us to fight for one side. You think they got their sons and daughters on the front line? Not down for war, but down to get an education. We're all equal, yet they push synthetic separation. But in this matrix, I won't be failing to make it. This is my cosmos, baby, space sailing with Sagan. I heard it's not where you're from, it's where you're carving your view. I heard you don't have to wear a suit to argue the truth. And so, who are you to tell me how to live my life? Cause I won't give this up. These are my shoes, my view, my cue to say I do give up. And pretty soon I'ma bloom and it'll be alright. Every day's another chance to ignite. Cause I'm addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted to this universal feeling called life. Who are you to tell me how to live my life? Cause I won't give this up. These are my shoes, my view, my cue to say I do give up. And pretty soon I'ma bloom and it'll be alright. Every day's another chance to ignite. Cause I'm addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted to this universal feeling called life.
through the region of maximum dynamic pressure now. Yeah, they finally gave me a window to look at. They told us go today.
Sean Khalifa, man.
Ride or die, remember?
Money's the motivation, money's the conversation. You on vacation, we getting paid, so we on vacation. I did it for the fam. It's whatever we had to do, it's just who I am. Yeah, it's the life I chose. Gunshots in the dark, one eye closed. And we got it cooking like a one-eye stove. You can catch me kissing my girl with both eyes closed. Perfecting my passion, thanks for asking. Couldn't slow down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people ahead that we gon' pass, yeah. I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. And I'm not to be played with because it could get dangerous. See these people I ride with. This moment, we own it.
And the same ones that I ride with be the same ones that I die with. Put it all out on the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find wit in the new car or the crown with. My new broad, that's a fine chick in the weather squad. I'm down with. Ain't no way around it. What you say? Tell me what you say. Working hard, repping for my dogs. Do this every day. Stuck to the plan. Always said that we would stand up, never ran. We the fam and loyalty never change up. Been down since day one. Look at where we came from. Jumping out on anybody who try to say something. One thing about it, got a problem, I got the same one. Money rolls, we fold. Plenty clubs, we close. Follow the same code. Never turn our backs, our cars don't even lose control.
Shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. I ride or die to be played with because it could get dangerous. See, I ride or die people I ride with.
We graduated to a whole new level.
This moment, we own it, own it, own it, own it. I spent enough time with you to know exactly how it's been.
dripping in gold. I walked into the room dripping in gold. A wave of heads grew tired, so I controlled. My heart broke when I saw you kept your gaze control. Why cannot so? Why can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I crave you. So slowly